Imagine waking up every morning to a little extra cash in your savings account without lifting a finger. Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, it's not. Today, we're going to show you how to set up an auto deposit with EQbank, a simple and effective way to boost your savings effortlessly. Before we dive into the steps, let's talk about why auto deposit is such a powerful tool. Think of it as a financial autopilot. By setting up automatic transfers from your checking account to your EQbank savings, you are essentially creating a habit of saving without even thinking about it. It's a great way to reach your financial goals, whether it's for a down payment on a house, a dream vacation, or simply building an emergency fund. EQbank, a quick overview. If you're not familiar with EQbank, it's a Canadian online bank known for its high-interest savings accounts. Unlike traditional banks, EQbank doesn't have physical branches, which means they can offer better rates to their customers. Step-by-step guide to setting up auto deposit. Now, let's get to the good stuff. Here's a step-by-step guide to setting up auto deposit with EQbank. Log into your EQbank account. If you haven't already, you'll need to create an account on the EQbank website. Once you're logged in, navigate to your savings account. Find the auto deposit feature. Look for a section or button labeled auto deposit or something similar. It's usually located in the settings or preferences area of your account. Set up your transfer. You'll be asked to provide some information about the transfer, such as amount, how much do you want to transfer each time? Frequency, how often do you want the transfers to occur, daily, weekly, bi-weekly, monthly? Source account, this is the checking account from which the funds will be transferred. You'll need to provide the account number and institution name. Confirm your settings. Review the details of your auto deposit setup to ensure everything is correct. Once you're satisfied, confirm your settings. That's it, your auto deposit is now set up. You can sit back and watch your savings grow automatically. Additional tips. Start small. If you're new to auto deposit, start with a small transfer amount to get used to the process. You can always increase the amount later. Consider a budgeting app. A budgeting app can help you determine the optimal amount to save each month. Review your progress. Check your EQbank account regularly to monitor your savings progress. Setting up auto deposit with EQbank is a simple yet powerful way to boost your savings. By automating the process, you're taking a proactive step towards achieving your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Start saving today. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.